Construction of solar array. In this session, we're going to be talk about how we are using the move command for making the multiple solar array, and this solar array we are placing over the rooftop area. So basically in earlier session, we have made the guidelines over the particular RCC structure. Now we slowly just move this particular array. While moving the array, we make sure that there is no single component that should be left while we are just moving the array actually. So with respect to the foundation, we are going to move that. So for that purpose, we're going to use the move command over here. And exactly at a corner point, we're going to select. And now we're just going to move the particular solar array over here actually. So with the help of a move command, we're going to move this. So for that purpose, we just zoom out this particular thing and we just focus over upper surface area over the rooftop area actually. So here we make sure that over this RCC structure where the two guidelines are crossing, exactly over that point we're going to place the solar array over the rooftop area. So like that, over this RCC structure we're going to place the solar array over here actually, like this. So we must make sure that there is a sufficient walkway has been available on the other sides of the particular solar array over here. So once we have placed this particular solar array, now we have to check that up to the water tank or up to the particular elevated projected structure, how much kind we want to repeat this particular array. So this is a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8 times we're going to repeat this particular array. So that is why we have to use the move command in such a way that we are using the array command also over here. So for that purpose, I am just choosing the particular surface of the mounting structure. Once again, we can use the move command, that is the foundation structure we're going to move now. But while moving, just press the control button over here and just place a solar panel exactly where two guidelines are crossing over here. We want 8 times this should be replicated. So once you have click on this particular point, just write here X and 8 and enter. So now the 8 times the same array has been replicated over here actually over the particular rooftop area or the RCC area what we have selected. So on the side there is a walkway so that any maintenance person can go and just do the maintenance of that. In between also there is a walkway has been available so that any maintenance person or any cleaning person can move through that also. So basically total 9 rows of array we have added over here. That is a half of the free space we have been utilized over here actually. Now we're going to move on the lower surface of this, that is a right hand surface of this particular elevated control room. This also been free surface has been available. So for that purpose actually we just select this particular solar array now. Again with the help of select command you have to click on this particular array. With the help of the move command you're going to move this particular array. Make sure that you have to put the control button because control button is helping us for making or replication of an array or just duplicating the particular array. So with the help of the pan and zoom command we just adjust over here actually where we exactly want to put an array. Then we're going to click on the move command. So whatever earlier command we have selected, it will carry forward over here actually in the same way. So now we're just going to click over here actually exactly at this particular guideline and just selecting this particular thing. So once we have just placed this particular array, once again we have to select this, once again click on the move command and we can place over this particular array actually. But before we place this particular array, we just measure how much amount of the guideline has been available so that we can place the array over the surface over here. So this is a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So total 11 number of the guidelines has been available over here. But basically this particular 2 meter or 4 meter of the space we are leaving over here just for walkway purpose or any kind of the maintenance purpose when any person is coming over the rooftop area. So we have total 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So 10 number of the times we want to replicate this particular array actually. So now once again we just go towards this foundation, that is a corner point. We select this particular point with the help of the move command. Control button we have to put and just select this guideline over here and x10 we are writing over here. 10 times we want to replicate the array and enter. So now once we have written the 10 x10 over here actually. So the 10 time this particular array has been replicated over here actually. So I am taking the pan command over here, and now we can just see over here actually. So total 11 number of the rows we have added over here. Total 9 number of the rows we have added over here. So total 20 number of the rows we already have been added. And each row will have actually the 14 numbers of the solar panel. So we just calculate how many number of panels we have kept over the rooftop solar area. So it is a 14 number into 20. So total 280 number of a solar panel we place the particular rooftop area actually. So basically, once we have seen this much portion over the rooftop area, we have utilized for placing the solar panel over the rooftop area actually. Now we're going to see how we can utilize this much portion, how many number of solar mounting structure and the solar panel we can kept it over here. Then we're going to see how we can utilize this particular area. So for that purpose, we want to measure this dimension, how much amount of dimension is been available. Then we again make a guideline for just placing the solar panel over the rooftop area.